Hello, welcome to our channel ECSTUFF4U. Next part is from the data communication systems is to be a transmission mode. Now let us start from the transmission mode. First, understand what is data communication. Data communications are exchange of the data between two devices by using some of the cable or some of the wire. सो व्हाट इज़ द ट्रांसमिशन मोड, उसके लिए हम लोग किस टाइप का ट्रांसमिशन मोड यूज़ करते हैं. ठीक है, तो फर्स्ट अंडरस्टैंड व्हाट इज़ द ट्रांसमिशन मोड. ट्रांसमिशन मोड इज रिफर टू द मैकेनिज्म ऑफ ट्रांसफरिंग ऑफ द डेटा बिटवीन ऑफ द टू devices is connected over the network. It is also called as a communications mode. In between of that communication of the mode from the transmitter to receiver, this mode is direct the directions of the flow of the some information. Okay, so transmission mode is a flow bit by in the different way, like from the simplex, half duplex and full duplex of the mode. Okay, now understand one by one. What is simplex transmission mode? A simplex connection is a connection in which the data flow is only the one directions. Here the diagram to show that the data is transmit from Dell laptop to Dell PC is only from the one directions only. These types of connections is useful if the data do not need to flow in both directions. It is only flow from the only one directions. Example of the transmitting from the data from only one directions is to be like a radio, keyboard, monitor. This way is only transmit the data is only from the one directions only. So it is called as a simplex transmission mode. What is half duplex transmission mode? Half duplex is sometimes called as a alternating connections, or it is also called as a semi duplex. Is a connection in which the data flow in one directions or the others, but not both at the same time. Means that same time data one directions में transmit नहीं हो सकता. With this type of connection, each end of the connection transmit in turn. These types of connection make it possible to have bidirectional communications using the full duplex capacity of the line. Okay, so here the diagram shown that the half duplex communications data is transmit in the both of the directions, but only one at the time. Means data is transmit not both at the same time. Okay, now last, full duplex transmission mode. What is full duplex transmission mode? A full duplex is a connection in which the data flow in both directions simultaneously. Each end of the line can thus transmit and receive at the same time, which means the bandwidth, जो bandwidth होती है वो divide होती है in the two of each directions of the data transmission if the same transmission medium is used from the both directions of the data transmission. So here the diagram shown that the data is transmit from the both directions at the same time, while in the comparison between from the simplex and full duplex and half duplex communications, in half duplex data is transmit from both directions but not at the same time, but in the full duplex data is transmit in the both directions at the same time. So that is the difference between half and full duplex communication in the transmission mode. Thanks for watching our video. अगर आपको मेरा ये वीडियो अच्छा लगे तो उसको लाइक, शेयर एंड सब्सक्राइब करना मत भूलिए. और मोर डिटेल इन द इंफॉर्मेशन अबाउट द डेटा कम्युनिकेशन सिस्टम्स आप विजिट कर सकते हो मेरी ऑफिशियल वेबसाइट्स www.ecstuff4u.com पे. थैंक्स वंस अगेन. बाय बाय.